What's up guys, this is iDevice Lab 009 and in this video I'm going to show you how to install MacPorts. So MacPorts is a library manager and it works better on newer macOS, it has more support. So without much further ado, let's get straight into the video. So you want to open up your web browser and search for MacPorts and click on the first link. I will have links for MacPorts in the description, and you want to click on the installation button right here, and here you want to select your macOS version. So in my case, since I run macOS Monterey, click it and it's going to start downloading. So let's wait for it to finish downloading, and now we can open it and double click it to open, and now we can click continue, 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 and click agree. And we don't need to change the install location, so you can click install. And now I'm going to put in my computer password, and the software has been installed, so we can move this to the bin. We don't need to keep the installer. And now to verify that it has installed correctly, we can run a few commands. We can run echo space path and click enter. And if you see opt slash local s slash s slash bin or opt slash local slash sbin, it has installed correctly. Now we can also run port version, and it's 2.11.6, so that's a good sign. And we can also run which port, and if all of the commands show opt slash local slash bin slash port, everything has installed correctly and it's ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.